Now I'm at Westin Jakarta. Let's go inside. This is my room. Let's go inside. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Theo, and today I will be staying at the Westin Jakarta, which is located at the top 20 floors of the tallest building in Indonesia, which is Gamma Tower. And I will be staying at the Westin King Guest Room, which have one king bed. The Westin King Guest Room costs 2,407,900 rupiahs per night, or around 169 US dollar at the time this video is uploaded. What I love about this hotel room is that it's very well lit. The color combination is also calming because it combined wood element and then several blue for a pop of color. And the atmosphere of this room felt so simple yet luxurious. As you can see, the view is quite magnificent because when you open the curtain, you can see a wonderful view of Jakarta from this height. For the bathroom, we have here one bathtub, one shower cubicle, a toilet over there in front of the shower cubicle, and a wastafel. Oh wait, is wastafel an English language? I think they usually call it sink or wash basin. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please leave your comment down below. And I will see you on my next video. Ciao!